So if you've got an Apple Watch 11 and want to install WhatsApp, unfortunately there is no watch compatible official app, but you can still use WhatsApp, see messages, and even reply to them right on your watch. So for that, let's open the Watch app. Make sure your device is connected and properly synced to your watch. Go to notification. Now, first of all, we'll go to show notification on wrist down and scroll down to the second part of this section to see all compatible apps that can send notifications to your watch. And here, make sure WhatsApp is enabled. Now go back one step, scroll down to the bottom, and just make sure in Mirror iPhone Alerts, WhatsApp is enabled. To get WhatsApp notifications on your watch, your iPhone must be locked. And then you'll get every single notification on your watch from now on. And not just that, you can reply to all your WhatsApp messages right from your watch. The only catch is there won't be any call notifications on your watch, and you'll just have to take it from your synced iPhone. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.